Then moving on to refund. Refund of VAT. Refund of VAT. Refund of VAT. Now, what is refund of VAT? Now, a VAT refund is the reimbursement of excess input tax. It is the reimbursement of VAT input tax. To refund is to reimburse, or a tax paid in error to a VAT registered person by KRA. It is a refund of tax paid in error, or just a refund of excess input tax. And this occurs when the amount of input tax legitimately occurred, which legitimately occurred exceeds the output tax charged during a given period, or when VAT has been incorrectly calculated. Reimbursement. Refund of VAT is just the reimbursement of VAT input tax.